Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the water filter base in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Press the water filter in firmly to unlock, then pull straight out. Use a putty knife to help detach the side access panel. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the screw securing the water filter cover. Pull the cover straight forward to remove. Note the orientation of the inlet and outlet water lines, then use a 7/16" wrench to depress the retaining rings to detach the lines. Use the Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the 4 mounting screws, securing the filter base to the housing. With the screws unthreaded, pull the old base straight down to remove. Install the new water filter base by pushing it into place in the housing. Then thread the mounting screws to secure. Insert the inlet and outlet water lines into the valve ports until fully seated. Slide the cover into place and thread the screw. Snap on the side access panel. Reinstall the water filter by aligning the guides with the slots in the housing, then push the filter in until it locks into place. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.